Hello students, today I have three special sounds here and they're all spelled the same. They are all spelled E-A-R, but they make different sounds. Their sounds are different. They're all spelled the same, but their sounds are different. With this special sound, we have the ear in ear. Ear in ear. E-A-R. Ear in ear. Here are some examples of the special sound. Dear, dear, clear, clear, year, year, tear, tear, beard, beard, weary, weary. So these special sounds, the E-A-R, is the ear in ear. The ear in ear. There's no rules as to which one goes with which. You just, as you listen and read, you'll learn as you go which one goes with which with these special sounds. So this is the ear in ear. Then we have the air in bear. Air in bear. It's spelled the same, E-A-R, like the other two, but it's pronounced air in bear. Air in bear. And we have pair, pair, wear, wear, swear, swear, tear, tear. Now if you noticed, these two words are the same. Tear, tear. It's just the sentences that you use on which way you pronounce it. In the ear, it's tear, tear. And in the air, it's tear, to tear. And then we have the in earth. This one says It's E-A-R, but it just makes the R sound. In earth. So here we have earn, yearn, yearn, learn, learn, search, search, pearl, pearl, earthquake, earthquake. So here we have the in earth. It's spelled just the same way as these other ones, but it makes a different sound. It's in earth. So we have the ear in ear, the ear in ear, the air in bear, and the in earth. They all are E-A-R. You spell them E-A-R, but they have different sounds. Different sounds. Very good, students. I will see you next time. Bye.